Hello and welcome to the day 10 of the 100 Days Challenge where I'll try to build projects in public. Yesterday I started a new project where I'm gonna try to create automated YouTube channels that they are really automated so that I don't need to do anything. The first step was to get information and get data from Reddit so that I can create content based on the content that other users generate. And then the next step I had in my mind is to parse that data and convert it into an actual script for a YouTube short. To do so, I created a prompt that I'll later try to use OpenAI to actually get some results. So after refining the prompt, I came up with this. So basically, I'm saying it that it's a YouTube Shorts scriptwriter specialized in viral news content. So the task is to create the short script based only on the provided news headline and an optional news body, because we saw that some posts in Reddit were only a headline and the others also had some body text. Then I added a set of rules and requirements. Basically, the first one is that they need to be fact based only, so I don't want it to just made up things and first research and understand the news headline and the optional body. Only use the confirmed facts directly from the headline body and reputable sources. I don't want to just put some fake data. Then do not invent or speculate. If the information is missing, acknowledge it briefly or focus only on what's confirmed. Then regarding the styles, I want to start with a powerful hook in the first 2-3 seconds. Then I want to use short, punchy sentences that sound natural when spoken aloud. I want to keep the length under that many words to fit into a seconds short. Then maintain an engaging conversational tone, like talking directly to the viewer. Also build momentum and towards a clear punchline twist or a big reveal near the end. Add some CTA, the call to action at the end, so that the viewers like, comment, or subscribe. Also avoid filler words, complex phrasing, or anything that slows down delivery. And regarding its format, I also add some rules there saying that return only the script, nothing else, no explanation, no markdown, no extra text, and use plain text with each sentence on a new line for easier text to speech conversion. And here I have this part where I'm gonna add the headline and or the body. So with that in mind here, and based on the data that we extracted yesterday, we can get an example that, for example, Sam Altman warns AI industry bottlenecked by compute, OpenAI struggles to meet demand. I just copy that, I put it into the prompt here in the headline. In this case, there's no body, so I'll just keep it like that. I copy it, I go to my ChatGPT, I put exactly that, and after some time, just drops the actual script with the initial sentence. That you can see that it tries to put some hook. AI might be moving faster than ever, but it's hitting a wall. And we also can see that there are short sentences and using normal words. Also, it's adding some CTA to put some comment and hit subscribe. So with that in mind, I think that I can refine in the future this prompt to make it better or something else different. But I already have something that I can use. So my goal for tomorrow would be to put it into the script in some way that uses the OpenAI SDK or whatever from Node.js, so that I can integrate it in an automated way, and then I can connect the previous data with this prompt and connect to the OpenAI, so that later I can have, from the first time I execute the script, it finds the data and it generates already the script. Then next steps later would be to move that through the text-to-speech tool and then try to set everything up. But my goal tomorrow would be update the script to not only find the proper data here in the raw JSON, but also use that to call OpenAI. And with that, that's all for today. Thank you and see you tomorrow.